Hello, my name is Andrew Campy. This is a demonstration of exploiting the box I created named Blue. It is a virtual machine running Windows 7 SP1. It is vulnerable to Eternal Blue. We will be showcasing in this demonstration the use of Metasploit. First, make sure that both boxes are on the same internal network. Then we could use ARP scan on the local network to determine the IP address assigned to the blue box. Once we have the IP address, which is .13, we could use nmap to determine the services that are running on the box. Based on the services running, we are led to believe that it is a Windows box that is running SMB. To determine the SMB version, we could use Metasploit, which is run by using an MSF console. Once Metasploit has opened, we use the following scanner to determine the version of SMB. We then set the R host, which is the target IP address. We also set the L host to ETH0, and we run the scanner. It has scanned the target and has revealed that the host is running Windows 7 Ultimate SP1, which can be vulnerable to the Eternal Blue exploit. Relaunching Metasploit, we can then search for the Eternal Blue exploit. The exploit we want to use is number 2. We set the R host to the IP address of Blue. Set the L host to ETH0. We can then check to see if it is vulnerable. And it states that the target is vulnerable over port 445. We then run the exploit. Once it states interpreter, we know that we have successfully connected. To determine where we are in the system right now, we could use pwd. We're in the system32 directory on Blue's box. We then want to go to the root directory, then to users John desktop. We can list the directory. We found that there's a user flag here. We cat the user flag. We could also go to the administrator's file directory. Since we have encountered no errors, we know that we have successfully transitioned to that directory. We can now list the contents of this directory, and we see the root flag. We can cat the root flag to read it, and that is a successful exploitation of the blue box.